it was safe to sleep in a camp bed. But now you'll find out the real truth on
The Attack of the Killer Mattress!
This is a Fortune Lake. Get peed on. Get barfed on. And get slept on. The mattresses go through agonizing pain. And when the campers all leave, they let everything out. You can hear them now. The mattresses are coming alive. The mattresses are coming alive. The psycho mattresses coming out from their deep sleep to kill anything they see.
I made it. What's that sound? Like some huge, hideous shuffling. What is it? That shuffling noise. Ah! It's a mattress! Ah! Killed a mattress. Good triumphs over evil.
He killed one mattress. He's safe now. But not for long.
It's another mattress!
I got Where is he? I give up.
Oh, thank God he's going away. He's the last one. I kill him and they're all gone. Where am I? In a cabin. Where is it? Oh my God! A victim! Ah! 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 I think they're destroying the building. Could it be? Yes, they are. They're destroying. I have to get away. Get away from this horrible place. Who knows what they'll do to me if they catch me next? They're coming. They're right behind me. I found their home nest. I'll get them now. Ugh, disgusting. Ah, it's gross. I must kill it. Die, mattress, die! The last of the mattresses are dead. Fortune Lake will be troubled no more. It's all over. It's finally over. Ah!